What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the N-Ext DIY channel. I am so happy to be here again today. So hey, listen, I just want to say thank you to everybody out there who's been watching along and seeing all of the different content that's being created by all of these really cool creators out there, sending us information, videos, how-tos, all that kind of stuff. It's been pretty fun to watch, and the response that we're getting from all of y'all has been pretty fantastic too. So we've got a few more new faces that are going to be showing up over the next week or so that you're going to get to enjoy the content that they're putting out. It's fun, it's cool. Everybody's got their own different style. And that was really the point of all of this, having different creators become a part of the N-Ext DIY channel, is because I wanted to let everyone out there know that they can run any kind of program. Like, use these materials as components, use them as standalone, use them in all these different ways, and then learn how other people who are just doing lawn applications and showing you that exact same model. So it's pretty fun to watch, and again, I'm loving all the feedback that I'm getting from everybody. So this week, you're going to see a couple of new people. I'm not gonna spoil it right now, that are gonna throw some stuff in, and it'll be fun to see what everybody has to say about it. So please make sure that you go and support these other creators as well. They're really doing a lot out there. You know, everybody is really contributing in a big way to not only their own channels, but for them to be so excited about something that they're doing it for us as well over here on N-Ext DIY. It's pretty freaking awesome. So I just wanted to pop in and say that real quick. I'll be contributing some videos here coming up specifically about the 402 Flora Green and fertilizing trees. That's going to be coming up here really quick as the weather clears out for me. So you should be pretty excited to see that coming up. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a fantastic Monday, and we'll see you next time. Later.